Hello everyone, welcome to our installation tutorial for the ImoLaza PRO Smart Sprinkler Controller. This video will guide you through the process, making it quick and easy to replace your old controller within 15 minutes. Before you begin, ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal in the desired installation location and gather all necessary tools. It comes with everything you need, including the user manual, mounting positioning paper, cable stickers, screws with anchors, wire caps, power cord, and keys. It's important to note that the controller is weatherproof, allowing for both indoor and outdoor installation. Before removing your old controller, test all sprinkler zones to ensure they're functioning correctly. Unplug the old controller and carefully inspect the wiring. Use our cable stickers to label each wire and take a photo for reference. Remove the old controller and use the mounting positioning paper to mark the installation location. Ensure the wire's length is enough and use your phone as a leveling tool to align the bottom holes. Then mark the holes. Drill holes for the anchors. Install them securely and gently tap them into place. Align the controller with the holes and prepare for installation. Use the provided screws to securely mount the controller in place. The M terminal is for connecting to the master valve or pump start relay. You have 3 C terminals available, allowing you to connect them at your convenience. You can easily connect a rain sensor to your controller using the S1 and C terminals, and connect a flow sensor using the S2 and VT terminals. ImoLaza PRO features large captive terminals for easy wire connections. Simply insert the wire and tighten the screw clockwise. Connect the zone wires based on the numeric labeling stickers. Once all wires are connected, you can cross-reference with the photo of your old sprinkler system to ensure all connections are accurate. If everything appears to be in order, proceed to power up by connecting the 120 VAC black wire to your hot wire, neutral white wire to your neutral wire, and G green wire to your ground wire. After adding the controller to your ImoLaza account, you can use the ImoLaza app to test all zones and functionality. If you encounter any issues during installation, please don't hesitate to contact us. We hope this video simplifies the installation process for you.